Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best nail acrylic kit is probably one of the most sought-after beauty essentials for anyone dreaming of salon-quality manicures right from the comfort of their home, offering the creative freedom to sculpt stunning, durable nails that truly express your personal style without the constant expense or inconvenience of professional appointments, making it an incredibly popular choice for both beginners and seasoned DIY enthusiasts alike. Number 5. Beetles Gel Nail Kit Easy Nail Extension Set. Introducing the Beetles Gel Nail Kit, your all-in-one solution for stunning nails. This comprehensive set provides everything you need to achieve professional-looking extensions right at home. It comes with 500 high-quality nail tips in a stylish coffin shape. These tips are designed for easy application and a flawless finish, giving you endless possibilities for your nail art. Experience the power of its innovative 5-in-1 nail glue-based gel. This multifunctional product acts as a glue, base coat, and more, simplifying your nail routine significantly. The kit also features an innovative LED lamp for quick and efficient curing. This essential tool ensures your gel nails set perfectly, providing a durable and long-lasting manicure. Transform your nails with ease and creativity, all from the comfort of your home. This set makes DIY nail art accessible and enjoyable for everyone, regardless of skill level. What we like. This comprehensive kit offers everything you need for nail extensions. Its 5-in-1 glue gel simplifies the application process, and the innovative LED lamp ensures quick curing. If you are looking for an all-in-one solution to easily create salon-quality gelly tips at home, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. No reviews found in the provided source JSON. No reviews found in the provided source JSON. Number 4. MelodySusie PC120i Portable USB Nail Drill. Introducing a revolutionary tool for your nail care needs. Its pen-shaped, compact design makes it incredibly easy to handle and carry anywhere. You'll love how effortlessly it fits into your lifestyle. Don't let its size fool you. This electric nail file boasts a powerful 20,000 revolutions per minute motor. It delivers efficient and precise results for all your manicure tasks. Experience professional-grade performance right at home. From polishing to shaping, this versatile device handles it all. It's perfect for various nail care routines, ensuring your nails always look their best. Achieve salon-quality results with ease. Removing gel polish can be a hassle, but not with this tool. It makes gel removal quick and gentle, protecting your natural nails. Say goodbye to tedious and damaging methods. Designed with beginners in mind, it's incredibly user-friendly and safe for home use. You can confidently achieve beautiful nails without professional help. Start your nail care journey with this convenient device. What we like. This pen-shaped nail drill is incredibly portable and powerful for its size. With 20,000 revolutions per minute, it handles various nail care tasks efficiently, yet remains beginner-friendly. If you need a compact, versatile tool for at-home manicures, polishing, and gel removal, this drill is an excellent choice. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points could be extracted. Number 3. KROFAUE Soft Gel False Nail Tips. Discover the secret to beautiful nails with our premium soft gel false tips. They offer a flawless foundation for your manicure creations. Each box contains 500 pieces, ensuring you have plenty for multiple applications. These tips are crafted from high-quality soft gel for comfort and durability. Achieve the elegant French style effortlessly with their half-cover design. They blend seamlessly with your natural nails, providing a sophisticated look. Finding your ideal fit is easy with 10 different sizes included. This variety ensures a custom and comfortable application for every finger. These artificial tips are perfect for creating stunning acrylic manicures. They provide a strong and beautiful base for your nail art. Whether you're a professional nail artist or love DIY manicures, these tips are perfect. They provide a professional finish right at your fingertips. What we like. These 500 soft gel tips provide a classic French style for elegant manicures. They come in 10 sizes, offering a half-cover design for a natural look and comfortable fit. If you like the timeless French style and need a large supply of high-quality, easy-to-apply tips for your DIY or salon needs, these are ideal. What people say. Number 2. KROFAUE 500 PCS Clear False Nails Tips. Introducing the KROFAUE 500 PCS Clear False Nails Tips. These tips are designed to give you salon-quality nails right at home. Embrace the timeless elegance of a half-cover French style. They provide a sophisticated look that complements any occasion. Crafted from high-quality acrylic, these artificial tips are both strong and flexible. They ensure a comfortable fit and long-lasting wear. Each box contains 500 tips in 10 different sizes, ensuring a perfect fit for every nail. This variety makes them incredibly versatile. Whether you're a professional nail artist or love DIY manicures, these tips are ideal. They offer endless possibilities for creative nail art. What we like. This set of 500 clear false nail tips offers immense versatility for endless creativity. Their half-cover design and 10 sizes make them suitable for various nail art creations and custom lengths. If you are looking for a blank canvas to customize with your own designs and colors, these clear tips provide endless possibilities. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no specific points can be extracted as per the instructions. Number 1. Saviland 3 PCS Acrylic Nail Brush Set. Introducing the Saviland 3-piece acrylic nail brush set. It's designed to elevate your nail art experience. This set features high-quality Kolinsky brushes in sizes 8, 10, and 14. They are crafted for precision and durability. Achieve smooth and effortless acrylic application every time. These brushes are perfect for working with acrylic powders. Whether you're creating intricate nail art or extending nails, they provide excellent control. You'll love the professional results. Each brush comes with a stylish black and white handle. This design ensures a comfortable grip for extended use. These versatile brushes are suitable for both beginners and seasoned professionals. They are an essential addition to any nail kit. What we like. This set includes 3 premium Kolinsky acrylic nail brushes, essential for precise application. With sizes 8, 10, and 14, they cater to different application needs for both beginners and professionals. If you value precision and quality tools for flawless acrylic application, these brushes will elevate your nail art game. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON, so no points could be extracted. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON to extract points. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.